Hello guys, welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about the JAMB 2020 registration and how to check the eligibility of your course, okay, which is quite very important. Alright, I suppose I've done this video last week when JAMB started registration, but I've been a bit strong, so it's coming this late, but this week I'm going to do all videos pertaining to registration, mistakes you should avoid and all. But the first thing first, before you start anything on your registration, before you send generate your profile code by sending a text message to 55019. Before you do that, please check your course eligibility online. That's the message, that's the instruction JAMB has given to every student. And before we get on to the video, if this is your first time on this channel, DTW Tutorials, an educational channel on YouTube where we support students preparing for your JAMB, your WAEC, your NECO, GC, Junior WAEC, even your post-UME after your JAMB, name it. We're here to support you with free videos on maths and what physics, okay? And please, I would appreciate if you try to click the subscribe button to support us to do more, to help us grow on YouTube. Okay, we're just on you can see here 13,000 subscribers. We'd love to grow more than this year, so please try to click the subscribe button to support us and also help me to grow, okay? Just a little appreciation. All right, and I just did a video recently which is on the JAMB 2019 maths pass question. That's your last year maths pass question, solve and explain. You can check this video out. By God's grace, physics will be out, but before it's out, there are other physics videos on the channel which you can also watch arranged. All right, so just go up to DTW Tutorials and you watch your several videos, also WAEC videos. I think, yeah, these are WAEC videos, okay? And also you can get your Sweet 16 PDF on our blog. You can visit our blog, watch a video on this channel to instruct you on how you can get that. I think the video is just here. All right, okay, so let's quickly get on to how to check your eligibility. All right, so all you need to do is go to ibass, all right, ibass.jamb.gov.ng, okay, and click on eligibility checker. Okay, so you can see it here, integrated brochure and syllabus system, which is ibass. So I think this system, this platform, actually at the back end, the brochure has been uploaded. It's like a digital library of every institution and the courses they do. Okay, so all you need to do to check your eligibility, first of all, your mode of entry, you go to, if you're a direct entry student, that's your D, you can click that. But if you're a JAMB student, that's UTME, you click on UTME, go to your institution type. You want a degree awarding institution. This is NCE, College of Education. This is National Diploma, okay? So you go degree awarding, okay? Then your institution type, is it a federal university, federal universities of technology? It has all been divided. All right, so if I click on federal universities, if I come here to select institution, it would load all the federal universities we have in Nigeria here. Okay, so let's say for instance, let's say I want to do, what should I click right now that would be beneficiary for us? Okay, let's say I want to do computer engineering in the University of Lagos. Okay, select your program, go to computer engineering. I know why I chose this, okay, to show you something. All right, and you put in your courses, your O-level course. If you want to do computer engineering, that means you're a science student, so definitely you should have mathematics. Is that not it? Okay, mathematics. You should have your English, very compulsory for every student. English language. You should have your physics. Okay, physics. You should have your chemistry. Okay, that's your chemistry, and you should have your biology. As a science student, okay, that's your biology. Okay, I'm not going to fill in something here, but I'm going to show you what will happen. Okay, so it says, you know, here it selects your credit between A1 and C6. Okay, so you place it. If you have any particular other O-level results that are between D7 and E8, then you put them here. All right, okay, so this is A-level selection. These are for the JUPEB and DE students and all. You don't, if you're not using that process, you don't need to fill anything here. So now coming to your UTME subject for combination. So we're doing computer engineering, so we click chemistry. Okay, we must do a physics and we must do a maths. All right, so we click here, check program eligibility. Okay, now look at the results here. for your UTME subject combination, it says what qualified. All right, coming to your O level, it says what disqualified. So it means there's a particular subject you are missing. Now let's come here to check the eligibility requirements for computer engineering in the University of Lagos. So you can see that this draws everything from the JAMB brochure. Okay, everything University of Lagos have given to JAMB, that these are our requirements for this particular course, computer engineering. Now you can see here it says for computer engineering, it says chemistry, English language, physics, and maths and physics. Okay, then your UTME requirements, you have to have 5 O-level credits in what? Chemistry, English language, further maths, mathematics, and physics. So it means you must do further maths. Okay, so it means that you must do further maths here. You must fill in further maths. Okay, let's go now and fill in further maths. So, and also if you come down here, it will show you other courses and UTME subject combination alternatives that you can pick from. Okay, so let's close this and let's go back now. All right, so we're going to put in we're going to cancel out biology and put in further mathematics. Okay, further mathematics. Okay, so we have that now. All right, now here let's do something again. Let's cancel out mathematics and put in biology and see what the eligibility checker would say. Okay, so you can see now. All right, you can see it has changed. It's now disqualified you for your UTME subject combination, and it has qualified you. You can see this, it has qualified you. So it is good you go through ibass before doing anything, before paying your form, before generating your code. Go through ibass, please. Your ideal students, go through ibass. Go through ibass, I beg you, because it is so helpful. All right, so now let's do the correct thing. Let's close this, remove biology and put mathematics and click on check. You can see now you have been qualified. So this is what you're going to use, and JAMB has also, you can print this form out. Now, printing this form is you having an evidence that you have gone through the ibass system. So if the school maybe stands up one day and say, or maybe during the admission process, say, no, you did the wrong thing and whatever it was, whatever, you would now check. This is your proof that you printed, you went to ibass and you printed that these are the things that Lagos State University require for this particular course, and this is what you filled in, and you have this. You get my point? So please make sure you go through what ibass. That's the first step. All right. So this is so that's the first step you would need. All right. And the next video I'm going to be going through list of mistakes you should avoid, other mistakes you should avoid. But this is the foundational thing you should get. And please go through ibass. All right, this is the first thing you need to do. All right, so I'm going to do that video very soon for you this week. I'll upload the next video on registration. All right, so this is how we have for now, and I'm going to leave you with this. Jesus Christ is coming soon. Give your life to Christ. He is the way, He is the truth, and He is the life. All right, you are destined to win. From DTW Tutorials, we say thank you and see you in our next video.